Hello, I hope this video finds you doing well. My name is Alex Nguyen. I'm the owner of 770 Good Law. We're a personal injury law firm in Gwinnett County, Georgia. Our number 3 promise to you is that we will make sure that you have a comparable vehicle to drive while your vehicle is in the repair shop. Most attorneys in town will only represent you for your injury. That's where they make the contingency fee. They will not represent you for your property damage. Here at 770 Good Law, we're here for our client to make sure that every day after this unfortunate wreck, we will ensure that you will have a rental to drive while your vehicle is being repaired. Most attorneys will not file suit on property damage. Again, there is no money to be made in property damage. Typically, it would take us about 42 minutes to set up a claim with an insurance company. It would take about 2 hours throughout 2 days to set up the claim, make sure that somebody goes out and see your vehicle and make sure you get the visual estimate, locating a body shop, locating a car rental place. Again, we honor this with a clause in our contract that we will handle the repair and ensure that you have a rental while your vehicle is being repaired. We will do this free of charge as a client service for each and every one of our car wreck clients. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.